Okay, DS Diving Service here at the Rudder Club. We're getting ready to take a look at pile 14. This particular pile right here was already jacketed by the members of the Rudder Club, so we're going to take a look at it and see how it is. One of the things I can already tell you from the top, based on this, there was no spacers installed, so who knows? You definitely want spacers at the top of the pole, the middle of the pole, the bottom of the pole. The other thing I can tell you from the surface is there's no all thread sticking through it, so good luck cross bracing this section, which needs cross braced. If you do put more of these on, you're going to want spacers. You're going to want to drill through the casing, through the piling, and put your lag bolts sticking out before you fill it with concrete, so that you can come after the fact and cross brace these things. All right, let's look at it. What you're probably unable to see when I started digging around the base of the pole is I had to dig that far into the sand, and then I could fit my hand under this jacket. The concrete in there was reasonably hard, but it was kind of, as I touched it, crumbling out. When these things are installed, you want them to go at least a foot underneath of the sand, maybe 2 feet underneath of the sand, which is why you want somebody in dive gear with a jet rod to make a little hole around and then build it back up. That way this is going to the bottom. The other thing is, if y'all are doing it yourselves, you don't want to just continuously pour concrete in. You want to put dry concrete in the beginning, maybe just 2 or 3 bags. Then you want to let it sit a couple of days at the bottom to create a plug and harden. That way when you're filling the rest of the concrete, you're not displacing concrete out the bottom of the tube. You now have a plug. You're displacing water out of the top of the tube.